What's up everyone? Today we're gonna be cooking another famous Filipino dish. We're gonna be doing a vegetarian version of it. It's called Ginataang Kalabasa, and it is a dish that we've eaten before. The owners of the place that we're staying cooked it for us once and we really enjoyed it. And there aren't that many ingredients for this one, so once again we're cooking with the kalabasa, the squash. And here's something we never cooked with before. It's malunggay leaves, so we're going to be using that for the first time. The string beans, onion, garlic, and coconut milk. We've also never cooked with coconut milk before, so we'll be using that. And we'll also have rice as usual as the side dish. So this dish, I think it's mainly cooked with like shrimp or any other meat, but I think shrimp is a popular option. But I'm allergic to shrimp, so that's one of the reasons that we've never been putting shrimp paste or shrimp in our other meals, because yeah, I just can't eat it, and that's why we're going for the vegetarian version today. As usual, we'll start off with chopping up the vegetables. We just clean them. Carol's trying to work out what to do with these leaves. Are they all falling off? Uh-huh. Do they have a smell or a strong smell?
No.
No?
Not a strong smell. Just a smell, but not strong.
Yep, we'll see how it tastes.
Woo! So today we have a special guest. Oh, he's sleeping now. Hello. Hello.
The cutest
So
dog.
cute. Yeah, he was here with us yesterday night and he came back today. Hello.
You want some kalabasa?
Not the vegetarian one.
Yeah.
You want pork, right? Okay. I'm gonna wash my hands and wash the leaves.
So we've now chopped up everything. Was very quick to prepare. I think we were hoping there'd be more kalabasa, but I think we'll be okay. And yeah, that's all washed as well. And you've been making the rice, right?
Yeah, it's almost ready.
Yeah? Alright, cool. So I guess we can start on this part.
So we'll start with the oil, garlic and onions and just wait for a bit till they got like a browner color, and then we'll put the other ingredients.
Yeah, I think first we have to just put this, just because it takes a bit longer to cook than like the leaves and the string beans. The squash, the kalabasa has been cooking probably for about 5 minutes now in the water with the garlic and onions, and now we're just going to put in the coconut milk. Gata.
Gata. Gata means cat in Portuguese. Tá bom.
And also the recipe that we're looking at online doesn't have the string beans, but we think we gotta probably put it in now to let it cook for a while. And the malunggay leaves, I think they just go in quickly at the end. You don't really have to cook them that much, so yeah, just put these in now. Whoops. Alright, and I guess we'll just let that boil for a while.
I think we can add some salt.
Some salt?
Yep.
Okay. This salt never comes out very well, right?
Yeah.
How much do you think?
Well, we gotta taste. I don't know. Okay, I think it's okay. And then we mix it and taste it. So now it's time to put the malunggay leaves. We heard that this is very healthy, so yeah.
Yeah, hope so.
Yeah.
And now you can see it's a bit more like a yellowy orange color. We think we might have put too much coconut milk in there. I'm not sure, but yeah, at least it's getting a bit of the color of the kalabasa now. Whoa, too much steam. So let's dig into this thing. I'm just gonna try the kalabasa and stuff on its own, and then I'll mix it with the rice later on. So yeah, let me try and get a bit of the string beans, maybe the kalabasa. I pretty much can only taste the kalabasa, like the strength of the taste of the kalabasa kind of seems to overpower all the other ingredients. Let me get it with the cream. Maybe I need a spoon for this.
Yeah, I think so.
No, I think we should get spoons. Taste a bit more of the coconut milk on the second taste. It's a very creamy dish, obviously, because of the coconut milk, and it's very different to the one that the owner made for us. I think the owner, she didn't use string beans, she only used malunggay leaves, and I think the kalabasa was kind of like mashed up, so you didn't really have like blocks like this. The whole, it was more like liquid, right? Like a creamy liquid. Hers was better though. She's a Filipino, so
yeah, that's why.
Yeah, she knows how to cook better than us.
We're just trying and following the recipe, so it's not gonna be like a Filipino cooking.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll get some spoons. God's not interested.
No, he doesn't like vegetarian food.
Alright, let's see what Carol thinks of our attempt. Yeah, the spoon's much better because you can get a bit of the coconut milk.
Yeah, very creamy, like you said.
Hot.
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
Do you think the same though, that it's mainly the kalabasa that you can taste?
Yeah, but also the coconut milk.
Yeah, to me it was a bit mild, the taste of the coconut milk.
But you can see that there's coconut milk.
Yep.
And yeah, because in Brazil I think we never or barely never use coconut milk to cook dishes like for lunch or dinner, but we usually use it to make desserts or like cakes or something like that.
Yeah, I think in the Philippines they use it for a lot of just normal meals, like
normal meals.
Like this one.
So it's a bit different for me.
Yeah, very interesting.
But yeah, it's good. I like it.
Should we put it on top of the rice? Not sure how they do it.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that.
Yeah. Looks like a really nice dish though, look at that. Really healthy. Get the coconut milk in there. Yeah, so on top of the rice, it seems to taste even better, the mixture of rice and yeah, everything together. So yeah, we both preferred it that way. It's interesting cooking these vegetarian versions of Filipino dishes. Last time we came to the Philippines, we actually really struggled for food because a lot of the Philippines restaurants is more like meat based, and they don't seem to really have that many vegetarian options, usually just like a pancit with vegetables. Since we've been looking online for other Filipino recipes, there's actually loads of different like vegetarian variations that you can do. It's just hard to get it in an actual restaurant, but if you're home cooking, yeah, they do have a lot of interesting different options like this. Just like Carol mentioned before, coconut milk isn't really something we cook with at all, so yeah, completely a different taste for us, but yeah, it really tastes great. So this is probably the most unhealthy thing that we do every day, but we're too addicted to Coke, right? We know we shouldn't drink Coke that often, but I think just because of the hot temperature, I always crave it.
Yeah, because it's too hot, and sometimes when we're like going up and down the stairs, we just need some sugar.
Yeah, caffeine. So yeah, it's our guilty pleasure.
Yeah, we don't smoke, but we have this.
Yeah, but we have Coke.
Addiction.
So we're actually eating the whole thing for once.
Yeah, we got more rice.
I think as I keep eating it, it gets tastier and tastier.
Yeah, I think the mix with the rice made it perfect.
Yeah, made it way better. So that's it for this one. We're just gonna finish up eating. As I mentioned before, it is quite an easy plate to cook. There's not that many vegetables. Like a lot of the other dishes, we'd have a big variation of different vegetables, and we'd have to be peeling and cutting and everything, and it would take ages. But this one was very quick preparation. Probably to cook it, it's only around, I guess, like 30 minutes, 40 minutes mainly. All the other dishes usually were over an hour. Even the pancit, which is a simple one, we had a lot of different vegetables, so that still took quite a while to cook it. We don't know what we're gonna cook next. Maybe we'll try a tofu sisig. Carol mentioned that one. Maybe we'll try that in the next video for next week. So as always, if you like the video, just drop a like to help support us. Follow us on Instagram if you want to see what we're doing in real time, and subscribe to this channel if you like to see more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. What about the dog? Here you go, the dog. He's not interested in our food, but he wants to say bye as well. Bye, dog.